Hello guys, welcome to the 6th video of coding, learn how to code. I have done, actually I don't think I've done that much since then. First thing is, learn remotes, so now I can spawn guns server-sided, and then I can use them. And now I know how to use tools, so now if I like, I made a little like cube throw thing. If I spam it like this, they disappear over time. That way it's not laggy. Need a little monster face. Oh, I went through the top part. Yeah, so that's what I learned how to do. Let me just look at the script real quick. So these are separate. These are just on the eyes, just checking if it gets. I could use tags and then tag the part as like a gun shot. That way you'll know that all things that. That's why it says gunshot, because this is like a. I was gonna make it into a gun, but I'm like, no, let's just throw cubes at things. But I can actually probably make it so they're tagged. That way you don't have to check if it's a thrown cube. I can check if it's a tag. That way I can just tag all the objects instead of checking for a crap ton of names. Okay, now that I got that out of the way. Me go down to where I did this. So now I'm in two remotes. This one gives you the gun. This one throws the gun, like the shot. Beef jerky. I also. This is not as impressive. This was the first remote I made. Where I just hit F, I'm pretty sure. Oh, which one is it? M? Yeah. Give beef jerky. And counts up beef jerky on the server. Let me check that out. So this is the server one. So I'm getting all the remotes, the 4 remotes. So whenever those remotes get fired off, so the remotes inside of here, when they get fired off right here. So if they get fired off down here, it'll connect it to the function gunshot function. So gunshot function right here. Let's start with the first one because this is what I do first. This one will find the character from the player. So the player is equal to whoever runs the remote. It's always equal to that. So the player is then I'm getting the character of the player, and then I'm checking the player's backpack and the character. Because whenever you equip a gun, it's on their character, no longer in the backpack. So you have to have 2 checks. If not, you can spawn an infinite amount of them. And then I'm making it equal to the backpack. So that way, if they don't have a gun on the character or in the backpack, and when they hit Q, it'll put it in the backpack. The next thing that runs after that is gunshot function. It's getting the player again, first parameter, and the second one's mouse hit. Mouse hit, if you go on starter player, right here, local remotes, this is what you're passing. So whenever I hit the key input, and if I'm typing, it won't run. You always have to have this before, because this makes it so if you're typing a message out, it won't be running the commands. So first we'll check if you're not in a chat box. If not, and then if you hit the key code called F on your keyboard, it's going to shoot the remote. So once the remote gets fired, like I said, it fires it from the player to the server. So fire it to right here. Fire gun and shoot gun. And then it's connected to the function, and then it'll run these 2 functions. And I'm getting mouse hit. Mouse hit's the second variable that I made in the local script. And it's right. Okay, so this is like 2 seconds after I just ended the video, and I'm super stupid because I just remember where I put it. The mouse hit. It is on the gun, I'm pretty sure. Oh, it's in replicated storage. I forgot I left it in there. Cube gun. Yes. I am passing whenever the gun's activated, I'm passing over the mouse hit position, which is equal to the local player get mouse. So wherever I'm clicking, it's sending that over to the cube gun. Okay. Making it so I'm getting the character, I'm getting the character's primary part, so the humanity part. I don't know, wait, why am I even doing this anymore? This is pointless now. I'm getting the cube. I'm making a cube. I'm naming it throne cube. I'm making the parent equal to the workspace. I'm instantly making it the position equal to my right hand. And then based off where my mouse is, it's making it equal to that. Minus the character, so it'll be a tiny bit off of your character by it'll be off the character's right hand by 1. So it's going to be 1 like block off of your character's hand, away from your hand, or around your whole character. And then the cube assembly, so I'm applying velocity to the cube, and then I'm making it the velocity equal to where my hand, the mouse, is from my hand. So if I do, this is such a bad way to word it. Oh my god. I probably spent like 2 minutes trying to find the mouse. So now that's why it shoots from my hand. So it shoots from my hand, and that's why it's offset. My only issue is if I shoot backwards. See how it doesn't go there because it's shooting from my right hand and it's hidden my character, I'm pretty sure. Should probably, anyways, it's not perfect. It's my first remote. So that's that. Thank you guys for watching. I'm debating to cut out that, but me trying to find where my right hand is, but whatever, I'll just leave it. Alrighty. Thank you guys for watching, and